Enjoy the high-tech painless hair removal and skin rejuvenation treatment. With high power and dual cooling system, it helps achieve permanent hair removal. SR Photon Rejuvenation, Multi-Effects. 430 to 1200 nanometers, acne removal. 480 to 1200 nanometers, wrinkle removal. 530 to 1200 nanometers, spot removal. 560 to 1200 nanometers, skin whitening. 590 to 1200 nanometers, redness relief. Imported from the UK, with an ultra-long lifespan of 500,000 times. Dual exhaust system and metal casting body for enhanced reliability and safety. Upgraded interface for a more user-friendly interactive experience. A solution to skin rejuvenation and hair removal for beauty salon.